Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss how we can use microphone control in Power Apps Canvas app. So basically, microphone control allow users to record voice directly inside the app. It is useful when you want to take voice notes, feedback or any audio input instead of typing. So here I have created a blank canvas app. Now first go to the insert and search as microphone. So under the media, click on microphone and add the microphone control on the screen. Now insert one more control. So again go to the insert and search as audio. So under the media click on audio. So this audio control will help us to play the recorded sound. Now select the audio control. In the media property, remove the existing value and write microphone 1 dot audio. That means we are telling the audio control to play the recording from microphone 1. Now click on preview the app. Click on the microphone icon and start recording. For testing, you can say something simple like, "This is a test recording in Power Apps." Now stop recording and click on play button. Start recording. For testing, you can say something simple like, "This is a test recording in Power Apps." Now stop recording. You can hear the recorded voice. So in this video, we covered how we can use microphone control in Power Apps to record and play audio. Thanks for watching.